Hey guys, it's your girl Chantel Artist, and yeah, welcome to my channel. And to the people who already been watching me, welcome back. So this time I am doing a mini haul, a unboxing, well it's not really a box, but a reveal of a clothing store called Boohoo. Yes, Boohoo. I have no idea what Boohoo was about. But I kept seeing tons of advertisement about it, and a friend of mine, my best friend, told me about Boohoo, and I was like, okay, let me check it out. And guess what? They had a 60% off sale. You hear me? 60% off. Like, a shopaholic like me, well, a reformed shopaholic like me, when someone says 60%, anything above 60 and above is like the holy grail. Seriously. So I was like, okay, let me see what they got, let me see. And when I was searching on their website, I was like, okay, they got some cute stuff. I have no idea like what I'm about to get into. I don't even know about the quality of these clothes, but hey, this is what this unboxing is about to be about, to see the quality. And if, hey, do you want to spend your money at Boohoo, or do you not want to spend your money at Boohoo? But I have a thing about online shopping. I don't really like online shopping unless it's like a store that I know, like H&M, maybe Forever 21, or Cotton On, or whatever. Like, trying something that I have no idea what the fit, how their clothes fit, it's frightening. So I don't even know if these items are going to even fit me. I make sure I got some basic items though, and guess what? I got about, I want to say 5 items. They're really basic. There's nothing like spectacular about it at all, because I didn't want to spend too much money in a company that I don't know much about. So I got 5 items and it was $30. $30 after my 60%. But that shipping and handling was $7.99. I know people are like, well, if you probably would have spent like $50, you got free shipping. But I didn't want to spend $50. I wanted to spend $30. Like, I had a limit because I wanted to see how much I can get with this discount, and I didn't want to spend more than like, well, 40 was my cut, my whatever. So when the $7.99 shipping and handling, I was like, okay, no, it's not about to happen. But yes, I got some basic items, and they're, like I said, they're not gonna be spectacular at all, but trust me, if they fit how I'm gonna style them, yes. So this is gonna be probably a try on, and try on video. I'm really scared because I don't know. So on Boohoo, on the website, they have this thing where you could put your height, and you can put in your weight, you put your age, and what do you think your body's like, curvy or not too curvy or whatever, and it'll give you a suggested size. Now, here's the thing. Normally I'm a size 14, okay? Yes, I said it. I'm a size 14. So yes, I am plus size. I might not look like it, but yeah, I am plus size. I'm a size 14. But when I go to like TJ Maxx and Ross, I recently have bought something that was a size 13. So I was like, okay, and it wasn't that tight on me. So Boohoo is suggesting that my size is a size 12. I'm scared. But in my video before, like the whole weight loss video and stuff like that, I told you I was losing inches or pounds or whatever. I haven't weighed myself, so it can be accurate. Y'all going to see. I don't know if y'all might, if it's too small. I don't know if I'm going to actually put this on video because I'm scared, but let's see if it's accurate. But so Boohoo comes in this cute bag. Like, I was like, okay, like, I see you. I haven't really seen too many companies do something like this. I feel like this is different. So I was like, okay, this is really cute. Let's get right into it with the reveal, because I'm like, pray. Let's pray right now. Father, in the name of Jesus, please let these clothes fit, because I do not want to return them. Listen, I have a problem with returning items, okay? I don't return items. Back in the days, I never returned items. Too big or too small. But now definitely I don't return items if it's too small, because I have this theory in my mind that if I keep it, maybe I can fit it one day and maybe I will lose weight and stuff like that. And hey, look, I lost that 50 pounds and I was able to fit all the stuff that I kept for years, okay? So don't judge my logic, don't judge my thinking, because it works, all right? If it's too big, which I'm certainly sure that it won't be too big unless like, God, how much weight am I actually losing? I'm a little scared. But if it is too big, I might return it. Or I don't know. I don't like returning, but I feel like I can make it work. The items that I got is really plain, and I'll show you. I can feel like I'll make it work if it's too big. But yeah, so I'm excited. Boohoo! I'm gonna open this. I don't know why I don't wanna mess up this pretty packaging. Whatever. Okay. So I got this plaid little crop bra thingy. I don't know. I don't know what it's called right now. It's just not happening. And then a nice matching pencil skirt. This looks really tiny. It looks so tiny for me. Also, I got some shorts, some biker shorts. I have white and I have black already, and I wanted to add my collection of biker shorts, so I got like this greenish color and then this, I don't even know what color this is. Oh, caramel color. Yeah, so biker shorts. And if these are too small, my bottom is actually small. Like my legs are nice, like, so I probably can squeeze my ass, and this is stretchable. So I got these two items, and then I got a basic black bodysuit. So yeah, let me open some of this. So with this top, because I'm a little bit bigger on the top, I made sure I got, okay, hold on, something don't seem right, boo. What's going on? Now, okay. Okay, I was about to say, because it said 18, size 18. I'm like, wait, skirt. This is a size 14. I did the top a size 14. Okay, I think I can, I think this might work, because I got a little bit of big tatas, you know what I'm saying? So I got the top a size 14. So I will try that on. And then the bottom, I got the size 12. So let's see. I actually think I'll fit. This is gonna fit. I just eyeball it. I feel like, I spoke too soon. I don't know. But yeah, so yeah, okay. I see you, boo-hoo. I see you. I might just be a size 12. Who knows, The shorts, the biker shorts are size 12 as well. This actually looks really big. I hope it's not that big. Oh my God. This looks big. I mean, this is like the plus size version. So I really hope this hugs my legs together for real. Because if it's too big, then I have to return it. I don't feel like doing all of that for returning, because like I said, I got such a good deal, so who knows? I might do a giveaway if it's too big, but oh God, this is scary. Hopefully, let me see. But okay. And last but not least, this bodysuit. Now I think I got the bodysuit in a, let's see, what size did I get this bodysuit in? Nope, I got it at 12. Okay, I got it at 12. And actually looks big. Like, I'm hoping that it's not actual big, but I'm just like, I'm a little scared. So I will do an actual try on. I will try these items on, and yeah, I'll be right back. And no, seriously, this is not what I expected. Boohoo, what's going on? These are a size 12. One, they're a little shorter than what I wanted. I wanted it down here, and it's not that tight on me. Do I have to put it in the, like, what is it called? The dryer so it can shrink? But it's just too loose. Like, I don't know. Like, I need it to be a little bit more tighter. Like, you see the difference? If it was just this tight and then, I don't know. This is why I don't like shopping online. I just stores that I don't know. But I don't know. This might be an X. Oh my god. So this is biker short number 2. The length is what I want, but I just find it too saggy. Like, look at this. Oh, like, come on. I mean, I could make this work with a long shirt. Like, I will always have to wear a long shirt, or I might get it tailored. I don't know, but and this is a size 12. Like, what the hell? Like, what size do I need to get? A 10? This is just, I don't know. I'm feeling some type of way right now. I'm feeling some type of way, but these are the second pair. I might have to exchange it for a smaller size. Giveaway, I don't know, like, with the discount and all that, it came out to like only like $4. Like, so it's just, is it worth returning? I don't know. But yeah, this might be an X. I don't know. But it's the length that I wanted. I wanted this length. So definitely the length is good. So try on the bodysuit. So I wasn't gonna show y'all this, but I need y'all to understand. This is definitely not happening. This bodysuit is a size 12. So Boohoo was wrong in this size. If I was to get a size 14, I don't even know if it even will fit too, because this is tight. So yeah, I don't think I'm a size 14 with this too. I probably will be a size, damn, Boohoo, you making a bitch feel real fat right now. So yeah, this is definitely going to be returned, because it's just, I don't know. Because if I lose weight, maybe I can fit it. I don't know. It's definitely an X. Okay, so my last outfit, this, and it actually fits. I mean, this is a little bit too big, so maybe you're right. Boohoo size being a size 12, and these are a size 12, but this is a 14. So if I wanted my boobs to be snatched, I should have gotten a size 12 for that. But the skirt is a size 12. So Boohoo was right about this. I think this is my only outfit that I will keep, that I will actually really like. Yeah. So I don't know. This is my try on. This is my Boohoo haul. I got some ideas with this outfit. I'm about to keep it, and I know exactly how I want to style it. I actually have some pants that are what is it called? Plaid pants that I feel like will work too well with this. Well, some like legging pants. So yeah, but not from Boohoo, from somewhere else. But yeah, so this might be a winner. The only winner. My try on. Will I shop at Boohoo again? To be determined. If the sale is great enough, where it's like 60-75% off, even 80% off, they might just get another customer for me. But it looks like this is my only winner. So yes to Boohoo for this. Boohoo to the rest. But yes, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Write in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you think about these little bit of outfits that I got. If you even like this one, or what do you think about the biker shorts? Bitch, like, just a reminder, I kept this really basic because I've never shopped here before, and I didn't want to like get something that like my heart is set on and then it just doesn't fit or something like that, and I'm like, oh. So I wanted to get something basic, and yeah, this is my little mini haul, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.